Attorney Noreen Santos. I passed the bar last year, so I am a Kagiwa passer, and I currently work at Divino and Divino Law Offices as one of their associates in the firm. Marami actually naging events sa buhay ko na nag-push sa akin na mag-law school. Back then, parang tinitignan-tignan ko lang siya hanggang sa nung high school ako, medyo parang na-realize ko gusto ko rin maging lawyer. I have this inkling na gusto ko laging makatulong sa mga kaibigan ko. Pero after nun, doon ko talaga na-realize na gusto kong ituloy yung law nung nakita ko rin yung family ko na gusto ko mag-law to help them not only financially but also para maprotektan din yung rights nila. I was in second year law school nung napansin ko na parang I have trouble sleeping. I had problems with my ex-boyfriend and also I had problems with my family nga. Nagkaroon lang ng snowballing effect. All of these problems came together tapos it triggered me. I had an attempt at my own life and yun yung time na pinadiagnose na ako ng parents ko. So I found out that I had bipolar depression. Yung psychiatrist ko, he ordered that I take a leave from law school. After that, I came back to law school. They actually warned me na wag muna kasi hindi pa daw ako ready. True enough, hindi nga ako ready kasi I was on meds at that time. I had 5 medicines. Hindi ako makafocus sa studies ko. Hindi ako makapag-aral. Wala akong nare-retain. So, bumagsak ako. It was painful at first and I had to question myself if para sa akin pa ba to? Itutuloy ko pa ba? Bumalik ako sa psychiatrist ko na sinabi niya sa akin is, huwag ka na mag-law school. Hindi mo kaya, hindi para sa yan. Hindi ako comfortable na may ibang tao sinasabi kung ano yung dapat at hindi mo dapat gawin. I went back to law school and when I transferred, I see to it na okay na talaga ako na I fully recovered. For myself na marami ako na-achieve nung bumalik na ako ng law school.